Rehman College of Dentistry has produced excellent results and has grown to the highest achievement. This year, we have secured first position both in first professional BDS Khyber Medical University result and in second professional BDS result in Khyber Medical University. We have well-established Department of Medical Education and Department of Research, and we attract a large number of population in the clinical areas, and we are providing the hands-on training and innovative techniques and skill lab. We are utilizing to the maximum extent and providing the integrated system of curriculum, and that is where our students are shining in the province. We also facilitate our students in their training. In job opportunity, we are providing this year, we provided job to 15 students of the current recent batch, and we have offered MCPS family dentistry to our own graduate. So we are supporting our student, our alumni, and our outgoing student are being trained, and they have a close guidance and supervision by our very expert faculty. I am proud that we have highly qualified and dedicated faculty in the campus.